Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use FaceTime in iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you want to use FaceTime, so let's see how can you do that. So you have to simply open your settings app. Very first you have to go for apps, then look for FaceTime app here and you have to do some settings here. So very first you have to enable this toggle to enable your FaceTime. And once I enable the FaceTime, you have to enter your account. So for example, I'm going to disable this and then I'm going to re-enable this. Once you have re-enabled, you have to wait for almost 5 to 10 seconds to get send and receive option here. So just wait for that. And here, once you get the option here, you just have to log in using your Apple ID, or you can also use your Google account or another mail address. And once you have logged in, just go back from here. It's still on that page. Now you just have to go for the search option and you have to simply search for FaceTime and open the app. Here you have to tap on this new call option and then you have to enter the mail of the person with which you want to create a call. You can also tap on this copy link option and then you have to add a name here, or you can share this link to anyone which you want. So I'm going to here adding here a person. So after adding the person, just tap on this call option and your FaceTime call will be started. So in this way you can easily set up your FaceTime, or you can easily use your FaceTime. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.